Again, this is just wonderful waking up in the campground here. And it's not so much about the campground, but I don't know, I just love waking up and being surrounded by trees all around, everywhere, kind of thing. It just like feels like I'm in the forest, in the wilderness kind of thing, even though it's a campground. But yeah, and also the birds, just amazing. The birds in the morning and that chirping away and stuff like that on a sunny morning like this. There's still a few of them out there. It's well past noon, but yeah, it is fantastic. I can't say enough about waking up like this. But I mean, it just reminds me of the real wilderness that I get out to when I basically go mushroom picking and stuff. Yeah, but this is fantastic. I just love it. Just love it. But so now, before we go on our real adventure, our big major adventure, we're just gonna head down the road a little bit and go check some stuff out here. So we're gonna jump in the truck here and head out. Okay, here we are at the top of the falls. We're going to kind of start up here and go down. I just have to try and figure out what I do with these girls in the meantime. They just don't want to follow the program here. So basically what happens here is it all comes down from way up along more or less a bit of a flat slope sort of thing for a ways, and then it comes down to here, right in here under the bridge, and this is where we descend into dogs are in my way. Send down into the falls area. Yeah, there we go. There we are. Yeah. And then we go down there and around the corner and down, and it starts to get awesome. Just awesome. So, here we are at the top of the falls here. Either side of the bridge here, and we're going to start over this way and show you that side before we go back and go down the other way, which is actually a nice place to be. Beautiful little secluded area. Yeah, this is where the river, comes down around the corner here. This is fantastic, eh? Yeah. Awesome, just awesome. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, I'm gonna take my moment. I wanted to come and show you on this side of the river here first. See over there. Crazy, eh? Here's the river on this side coming down here. Beautiful both sides. And then it drops over the edge over there. Down in there. It's absolutely beautiful, eh? And then, as we come up here, these are mega rocks here. It comes up here. There. And there's the bridge we were just on there. There we were, up on the bridge there. Just like that. So it comes down here. And heads down there like I was showing you. Beautiful, eh? Now we're going to head back down the other side and show you from the other side. The top end is probably the most impressive, but there's lots and lots of little falls along the way. Alright, let's go. We are on the other side now, and again you can see the bridge up top there. And that's where it spills down over until the next falls down, like you saw from the other side of the river there. We're just coming down river a little ways, and we'll show you where all that water was going to. Check this out, it's beautiful. And this is the pool at the bottom of that waterfall. Then we go down here for a ways kind of thing. Sort of start leveling out. A few little falls in along the way. But down and around through a bit of a canyon sort of thing. Yeah. Pretty beautiful river. Pretty beautiful. And there it continues to keep meandering down. And we're basically kind of halfway. We're back to kind of the parking lot area down here. And about halfway, and it keeps going down. Yeah, keeps going down. And basically there's a trail up both sides of this river, and you saw the bridge at the top there crosses over. There's a bridge at the bottom that crosses over too, so it's just one big loop, go up and down each side. The parts that I showed you of the falls themselves are generally the better parts of it. The rest of it further down is just more smaller waterfalls, and they meander along and stuff like that, and you get down to the bottom bridge there, and yeah, that's about it for it. And then the river just keeps on going. But yeah, it's beautiful. You got to come down and check it out. If you're ever in the neighborhood, come down and check out Little Qualicum River Falls. Now we got to go back up these steps again. Holy cow! Oh my, crazy! Oh, I'm already worn out. I was coming down the side from the top, and still it's a fair bit of hiking and stuff for an old man like me. Yeah. Oh, here we go. So yeah, if you're ever in the neighborhood, you got to come and check out Little Qualicum Falls. It's a beautiful walk. You can start at one end, go all the way around, and eventually come back to where you started again. It's so beautiful. Oh, kind of out of breath already. I am old and out of shape. Trying to stay in the shade so you get a better view here, but not working out. Okay, let's head for the truck and get out of here. Let's get in the truck. Let's get in the truck. There we go. We are in. Let's take off and do something else. Yeah. Well, here we are. We are back at the campsite again, having a cup of really good tea. This is actually stinging nettle and fireweed tea, both which I foraged on my own and dried them out. So that's fireweed and stinging nettle. And I throw a little bit of organic maple syrup in there, just to, I could have used honey or something, but same thing kind of deal. The organic maple syrup's it's pretty good for you, actually, I think, a little bit. Wild tea, that's awesome though. Awesome. So anyway, we got a campfire going here. Trying to turn around for you. There you go. And last time I had kind of basic hot dogs and stuff, and I wasn't sure what else to do, so what we're gonna do is I got myself some good old cheese smokies. They're smokies filled with cheese. Obviously, we're gonna have some of those. And I'm no buns or anything. I've got myself some really good Dijon mustard there. Just gonna have them with Dijon mustard, and I'm gonna bake myself a really good yam here. Bake it in tin foil over top of the fire there, and just enjoy that. So yeah. that's the plan for the evening, so I'm going to get on with that and enjoy. Just sit here and watch the girls run around. They've already eaten, so they always eat first, if I can help it. Anyway, we'll catch you when I'm done, probably. Ciao. Here we go. We got all of those suckers on this way. That was Carl's idea. Thanks, Carl. All right, let's roast these suckers up and wait for them potatoes to get done. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be fantastic. Just can't wait. Yeah. Look at that. Easy peasy. Get them all done at once. Wow. Cool. You gotta love your campfire, man. There we go. We cooked those dogs to perfection. Cook them till they split. Yeah. Wow, those are good. Those are good. Gotta wait till them cool down though. But we're still waiting for my yam to cook up here. It's probably going to take at least another 20 minutes here for that to cook up. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm going to, once these have cooled down, of course, I'm going to chow down on a few of these suckers. And then I'm going to really enjoy that yam too. All right. Wow, that was fast. And they were darn good. Oh my gosh, they were good. Delicious. Yeah, they were great. Still waiting for my spud though, my yam. It's probably going to take another 15 minutes or something. I'm not sure. Maybe more. I don't know. I'm going to maybe have to build up that fire or something. Cook it faster. But you know what? When it's done, it's going to be delicious. I'm going to smother it with butter and probably throw in a little maple syrup or something like that. But that'll be great when it's done. I can't wait for that. And by the time it's cooked and my stomach's all settled down from the dogs, then I'll probably really dive into it and enjoy it. Oh my gosh, my gosh, my gosh. But yeah, certainly awesome. Certainly awesome having ourselves a little campfire here. Excellent. Okay. Oh, just sit and wait, I guess. Ciao. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, look. Oh, wow. It's steamy. Steamy, very steamy. Let me get this apart. There we go. Wow. Wow, wow. That's soft and good. Soft and good. This is going to be wonderful. This is going to be wonderful, yeah. Just wonderful. Yeah. Yes, sirree. Yeah. For sure. For sure. There we go. There we go. Lots and lots of butter on there. And here we are. Just a little bit of a hint of organic maple syrup. Just a little hint. Just like candied yams at Christmas time, yeah. Just enough of a hint on there. There we go. That's more than enough, I'm sure. Wow. Yeah, there we are. This is going to be wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, let's dive in. This is going to be fantastic. Just fantastic, I know it. Wow, this is to die for, to die for. It really does remind me of candy jams at Christmas time, but it's even better than that because I'm using maple syrup, and I don't use a lot, just enough. And with the butter, oh my God, this is just a special treat at a campfire. Oh my gosh. What a fantastic dinner altogether. Altogether fantastic dinner. And this is actually kind of like dessert, really. This is more of a dessert than anything. It's almost like pumpkin pie, only better. Fantastic. I'm going to thoroughly enjoy this. All right, like I've said in the past many times, go away and let me eat. This is absolutely fantastic again. Another campfire and all this beautiful, beautiful outdoors, wilderness and everything like that. It's just fantastic. Fantastic. The only problem with all of this, any of this at all, is that the mosquitoes are out again. The mosquitoes are coming out again. There's quite a few of them actually in there. I haven't really got any serious bites yet. They just get in my face and I brush them away and that. But thank God I kept my mosquito screens up from last year kind of thing. All this up here. All the way around. I left that up. I was going to tear it down all winter thinking I don't need it. Don't need it. And I was thinking, well, maybe flies and stuff like that. But this is really good that I left that up there. And they're not going to get inside. But yeah, they are back and they're going to be around for a little while. But this is really cool here. Yeah, fantastic. So I'm just going to sit in my little chair and enjoy the fire and probably let the girls out again so I can keep my eyes on them and just chill for a while. Yeah. Ciao. Tally ho. Tally ho.